Let us see how you can create a order details template. This is mandatory for collecting payments via WhatsApp. Enter a template name, select a category. You can select marketing or utility category. Click on next. Select the option of order details. Header needs to be mandatory as media. Enter the body. Body is again mandatory. You can define some default configurations for the orders payment message. You can change this when you're actually sending the message. But for now, let us save some information so we don't have to enter it again and again when we are sending the message. Tax I'm entering as 18%. You can define the other details as well. Now click on save and apply with Facebook. After this, click on sync templates to check if the template is approved or rejected.